Alright guys, this is Rocky, PND Studios. We come to see part 2. Check out the cold. Yeah, it is cold. We got wind gusts. It is cold. We'll see the damage of the snow and the wind and all that. We got at least a good 5 inches of white fluffy stuff underneath my foot. On top of that with ice mixed together. It is cold, folks. It is cold. Cold, 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 cold. As you can see, the wind is blowing all around me. Yeah. I was going to show you some winter wonderland scenes, but, you know, with the wind, it makes it quite difficult. So, but yeah. Snow has stopped. Cold's going to be here for a while. It's going to be in the 20s and teens this week. That's right. Oh, look. Deer. Oh, deer. Yeah, we got some deer. Yeah, I just cleaned off the vehicles. So. Oh, yeah, it's cold. Cold, 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 cold. Well, I'm gonna go do my thing, make this video look awesome. I just wanted to show you some of the effects of the snow. I want to show you something now. Look how cold it is and how windy it is. Watch the trees down below. Yeah, watch the trees. I should say watch these trees. Yeah, that's how cold it is. It is really cold. Alright, you guys, but for now, this is Rocky signing out. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Till next time, peace out.